everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the all-new 2025 Toyota Fortuner. This SUV is a popular choice for families and off-road enthusiasts alike, and the 2025 model is sure to impress. Exterior: the 2025 Fortuner has a bold and aggressive exterior design that is sure to turn heads. The front end features a large grille with a chrome surround, and the headlights are now sleeker and more modern. The rear end of the SUV has also been redesigned, and it now features a more streamlined look. Interior: the interior of the 2025 Fortuner is just as impressive as the exterior. The SUV has a spacious and comfortable interior with plenty of legroom and headroom for all passengers. The dashboard is made of high-quality materials, and it features a large touchscreen infotainment system. The 2025 Fortuner is available with a variety of engines, including a 2.8 liters diesel engine and a 2.7 liters gasoline engine. The diesel engine is the most powerful option, and it produces 201 horsepower and 369 pounds-feet of torque. The gasoline engine is less powerful, but it still produces 160 horsepower and 181 pounds-feet of torque. The 2025 Fortuner is a capable off-roader. The SUV has a high ground clearance and a four-wheel drive system with a low-range option. The Fortuner also features a variety of off-road driving modes that make it easy to tackle any terrain. The 2025 Fortuner comes standard with a variety of safety features, including lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The SUV also has a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. The 2025 Toyota Fortuner is an impressive SUV that is sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers. It has a bold and aggressive exterior design, a spacious and comfortable interior, and a powerful engine. The Fortuner is also a capable off-roader, and it comes standard with a variety of safety features. Outro. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this look at the 2025 Toyota Fortuner. If you're in the market for a new SUV, I highly recommend checking out the Fortuner. I'm sure you won't be disappointed.